Hello everyone, it's me Natascha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this occasion, I would like to tell you how to make kue lumpur. Do you know what kue lumpur is? Kue lumpur is a traditional cake from Indonesia, which is made from potato. Are you curious with that? So without any further ado, let's join me to make this kue lumpur. The ingredient of kue lumpur is the first is 2 tablespoons of melted margarine, 160 grams of wet flour, 150 grams of sugar, raisins, 300 grams of steamed potato is already mashed, 5 pieces of egg yolk, 2 pieces of white eggs, and the last is 500 milliliters of coconut milk. The equipment that we are needed is the first is tablespoon, soup spoon, whisker, shape pan is non-stick pan, mixing bowl, filter, and the last is hand gloves. The first thing that you need to do is use your hand gloves. And next, we need to pour your 2 pieces of white egg into the mixing bowl, 5 pieces of egg yolk, and 150 grams of sugar. Mix them together with a whisker until it mixes well. Next, after the egg and the sugar mix well, we need to pour the wet flour. It's 160 grams of wet flour to the bowl, mixing bowl. You can use your tablespoon. Next, add your 300 grams of steamed potato, which is already mashed, to your mixing bowl. And mix them together carefully. After the potato and wet flour is already mixed well with the egg, you need to add your 2 tablespoons of melted margarine to the mixing bowl. And add your 5 milliliters of coconut milk to the mixing bowl. Carefully. After the mixture is mixed well, we need to filter the mixture into the another bowl. Please move it carefully. You can use your whisker to filter the mixture. After you filter the mixture, you can get the nice texture like this. It's smooth, soft, little bit sticky. The first thing that you need to do is preheat your pan. Next, after the pan is already heated, you can pour the mixture into the pan carefully. After that, you can add some raisins. After a few minutes, you can check your cake with a chicken skewer and make sure there's no stick on the chicken skewer. You can see colors of the cake, and it's time to take it off from the pan. Alright, it's time to plating. So in this time, I use pandan leaves for the garnish. Check on the top of its leaves. Then we take the cake with leaves. Wow, it looks really good. Voila, this is it, Kue Lumpur by me. So don't forget to recook my recipe and comment on my YouTube channels about the taste of the Kue Lumpur. So don't forget to follow my Instagram at Natascha and see you on the next video. Bye bye!